We're now in week 2 of jury selection in the Chauvin trial. The former Minneapolis police officer faces several charges in the death of George Floyd. Our Kamaria Bray joins us with an update. And Kamaria, 2 more jurors were chosen today, is that right?
Yeah, Tom, 9 jurors are seated so far, but the court needs to get up to 12 and find 2 alternates. But jury selection wasn't the only big topic today. The court discussed concerns about the timing of that $27 million settlement the Floyd family received.
The Minneapolis City Council unanimously approved this $27 million settlement.
That announcement on Friday was a huge concern in court Monday morning.
What I would say, very well designed terminology, the unanimous decision of the City Council, for example. The fact that this came in the exact middle of jury selection, it's perplexing to me, Your Honor.
Judge Peter Cahill also agrees the timing is, quote, unfortunate.
The defense has a legitimate concern. I think the state even has a concern.
Absolutely. It would be our strong preference that we'd be trying this case in a vacuum with no pretrial publicity.
The defense is concerned jurors may get a glimpse of the settlement headlines.
And has an incredible propensity to taint a jury pool.
He also believes the timing was suspicious and mentioned how Attorney General Keith Ellison's son is on Minneapolis City Council and the Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey was a lawyer.
The mayor has a job to do. Certainly doesn't take direction from me. I don't think I've ever met him. These are just things that happen independently of what we're doing here.
But the judge doesn't think the city purposely made the announcement because of the trial.
And I wish people would city officials would stop talking about this case so much, but at the same time, I don't find any evil intent that they're trying to tamper with this criminal case.
Now, jurors are asked not to talk about the trial or watch any news. Judge Cahill said he would question the selected jurors about this to see if they are still able to be impartial. Caitlin.